लाइका फिल्म प्रोडक्शन के तले बने रॉबर्ट टू डायरेक्टर शंकर और उसमें काम कर रहे हैं अक्षय कुमार और सुपरस्टार रजनीकांत। ये सब पहुंचे मुंबई और मुंबई में रॉबर्ट 2 यानी 2.0 का पहला लुक जारी किया। कैमरे की नज़र में दिखाई दिए भोजपुरी के सुपरस्टार दिनेश लाल यानी आपके प्यारे निरहु। अब ये पता लगाना हमें पड़ा कि आखिरकार दिनेश लाल इस कार्यक्रम में क्यों आए। तो हम आपको बता देते हैं दोस्तों कि भोजपुरी के सुपरस्टार भी एक 3D फिल्म बनाने की तैयारी में है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, 3D फिल्म बनाने की तैयारी में है। इसीलिए उन्होंने रॉबर्ट 2 के 3D वर्जन को पहले लुक को देखने के लिए मुंबई में इस कार्यक्रम में पहुंचे। थ्री मूवी बनाने के लिए कितना संघर्ष करना पड़ता है, इसीलिए वो इस कार्यक्रम में पहुंचे। और आप भी देखिए कि किस तरह से 3D ग्लासेस लगाकर रॉबर्ट 2 की पहली लुक को वो देख।
And we have the leading lights of the movies, and just to begin with, the captain of the ship. Like, what is it that makes you do these movies on this tremendous scale every time, each and every time? Where does this energy and passion and exuberance come from?
No, I have to deliver something better than what I did before.
That's true.
Yeah.
So you always better your craft and do something more challenging every time.
Yeah, because I treat myself as an audience, so I have to satisfy the audience inside me.
Right, that's fantastic, sir. We can't wait to see what you've captured this time. Was there anything specific in this experience that you'd like to share with us?
That's fantastic.
Do you know what's happening around you, or you're just dazzled by it all? Like suddenly when you have so many computer graphics, this kind of scale, everyone's doing something so diligently around you, and it's like you have this peaceful demeanor, and you're like an unshined halo in any case. I think you've got into a Zen mode making this film.
189.
Is it? Well, what do you have to work speak for itself? Why not? Right, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you, Mira. Thank you very much. Please.
Yes, and he actually sung this first song of mine, and he's amazing. So all these years, these 7 years since they first launched, and they both been shaping me into a good hitter, I believe. Their ideas, how to think.
Wanted to have. I like the script, and I said, go for it. You must not give any of my directors in my company these ideas, because I say go for it a lot, but then they really go for it. And when they go for it, you've had it. But this is amazing, sir, and we are all so proud. I'm so proud, being a filmmaker, to be part of this spectacular evening, and I can't wait to watch the film. Truly, everyone here, sir. Thank you so much.
I just take this opportunity to thank